evening, good morning, whatever it is the time when I'm watching this video. For me here it's almost 10 p.m. so I'm in the end of the day. I'm really excited because I just placed an order on ASOS.com website on their monthly beauty box. This is not a subscription, it's kind of the box that they are releasing in the beginning of the month, and if you are really quick to catch it, then you are happy. You will probably see the review of this box next week, but this is not the purpose of this video. I'm sorry if I speak a bit low. I'm trying to not to raise my voice too much because my kids are now sleeping, and I'm filming on my bedroom, which is close to their bedroom, and they can hear my voice and wake up. So I apologize, and I will try to edit in the settings to have more good sound. If you didn't check my previous video, I have a open international giveaway. I will link that video down below so you can enter the giveaway, which is open until 18th of December. So if you didn't check that video, please check it now and enter to giveaway. I got inspired from many people because I've seen many videos, and I came up with my own Christmas wish list. I have 10 products that I will share with you. I also have my laptop here, my mini laptop, and I have the list here because it's late and I cannot remember everything that I have on my list from my memory, so I will just sneak a peek on this list every now and again. So the first stuff that I have on my list is the Urban Decay Naked 2 palette. I wanted this palette from at least 2 years, I think. I don't have Naked 1 and Naked 2 palettes. I have only Naked 3, which I'm not really using right now. I found that colors are not right on my alley, so it is somewhere on this house. And one of my friends had this palette. She came to visit me 2 years ago, and I did one look using this palette. I really enjoyed it. This is really neutral, nice, everyday eyeshadow palettes. I know that I have too many eyeshadow palettes, but Naked 2 it's a staple in every makeup lover collection. So I made my priority list and I finally ordered it, so I will be happy to get it by the end of this week. The next product on my Christmas wish list is the Zoeva Opulence Vegan Brush Set. This set, it contains 10 makeup brushes that are together face and eyes. It's a complete set, and when I first saw it I was mesmerized with how beautiful, how nice are the bristles and how the beautiful are brushes. I'm a really big fan of Zoeva brushes. I have a lot of Zoeva brushes. Most of them are for my eyes. I have also a couple of them for face, but I really want this set. The third product on my list is the Makeup Forever Aqua Blend Foundation. This foundation, it's really sheer, really light coverage foundation. I discovered it because I think in the beginning of this year I went to Sephora and I was checking that Makeup Forever counter because I really love this brand. It's one of my favorite brands, and one of the ladies that is helping us to shop came to me and asked me if she can help me to give me some help, and I told her that I'm just looking, and then she recommended me to try this foundation, and she gave me a sample size in this kind of jar. So I had worn it like 2 or 3 times, but guys, this foundation, it's amazing. It's really light coverage. I have their Ultra HD, which is comparing with this has double coverage. But I don't know, it is something about this foundation. Doesn't have any oil and gives you some flawless finish if you want to look natural, if you want to look like you didn't apply any foundation but you still have something on your face, you are not barefaced. This foundation is really everything. The fourth product on my list is the Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. I've heard many YouTubers having good feedback about this concealer. I'm always on the market for a good concealer. Right now I'm really loving the Catrice Liquid Camouflage Concealer. Basically I don't need other concealer on my life, but just for the purpose of testing. I want all the time to try and to find the perfect concealer for me. The fifth item on my list, or I can see items, but it is an item, but it's just the decision between two eyeshadow palettes. I want to buy a Jeffree Star eyeshadow palette. And I'm oscillating between the Androgyny palette or the Thirst eyeshadow palette. The Androgyny, I like it because it's more neutral, has a very nice green and olive. The first row it's neutral, and the second row has some pop colors, has a olive green and two shades of blue. One is more blue, one is more gray blue. At least this is what I can see on this picture. The Thirst eyeshadow palette has more eyeshadows and is more colorful, has a really good light blue and one yellow shade, has also some oranges and some peachy shades and more shimmers. So this is more exciting and more fun for me because I'm mostly drawn to neutral kind of eyeshadow palettes, so I have to decide between those two palettes. But yeah, I really want to have one of his famous eyeshadow palettes. If it's something on this list that I really want, then I want this. It is the High Mirror. What is High Mirror? This is basically a smart mirror that gives you 5 levels of light. Of light setup to choose for your makeup, and you also can adjust how light or how dim your light can be. Also, what is more important and more interesting is that this mirror has a skin analyzer feature. So basically you get a picture of yourself, and this is assess your skin in 7 key condition areas, like for example pores and dark or red spots, fine lines, wrinkles, and 2 other problems that I don't remember now. But I really want this mirror because I think it's a multi-purpose tool. The only problem is that you can find it only in US. It is available on their website and also in Amazon US. And the shipping is a real problem. But I hope they will do something because I think many people are interested about this mirror. First time I saw it featured by one of my favorite YouTubers. Her name is Sabrina, so I will link her video down below when she was featuring this mirror. But yeah, basically, if I will have to give up to all the products from my list and choose only one, I will choose this one. The 7th product is Charlotte Tilbury Legendary Lashes Mascara. I heard many people speaking about this mascara that is really good, blending, volumizing, giving everything that your lashes need. So also I don't have any product from Charlotte Tilbury. Of course I would like to try her eyeshadow, Pillow Talk, and many other products, but I have already too many eyeshadow palettes on my Christmas wish list for this year, so I thought that maybe I should limit to something that I will use up really quickly, and this is a good mascara. The 8th product on my list is the Huda Beauty Nude Palette, the new nude eyeshadow palette. Yeah, this eyeshadow palette, it's, guys, everything. Basically, this is the second item on my list. If I'll have to only choose 2 items, then it will be the mirror and the Huda Beauty Nude Palette, the new nude palette. I don't need to say anything else about this palette. It is talked about, it was reviewed from many people, so I just want to say that I really want it. Maybe I will get it, who knows. Maybe Santa will bring it to me. The item is the It Cosmetics CC Cream SPF 50. Basically, I want this cream to have it for next summer, because then I'm most using my SPF 50 protection. There are controversial reviews about it, but many people love this foundation, so I would like to try it. I didn't try any It Cosmetics products till now because it's really hard to get it here, but I hope somehow I will get my hands on it. And the last but not at least, I'd like to buy the Too Faced White Peach Essential Eyeshadow Palette. This palette, it's right now, it's at 50% discounted on my local Sephora, so I will check whatever else I can buy, and I will probably place a order in next few days on Sephora, and also I will include this eyeshadow palette on it. I hope it will not be sold out, because it's a really good palette, has more neutral shades, and I really enjoy the quality and texture and blendability of the Too Faced eyeshadows in general. I have the Too Faced Sweet Peach eyeshadow palette, which is one of my all-time favorites. I really enjoy this, and I also have the Chocolate Bar, their first eyeshadow palette, so yeah, why not? I want to have this palette, especially if it is at such a good price. So those are my 10 products that are on my Christmas wish list. I hope I will be able to get at least half of them. If not, some of them will be reported for the next Christmas. Why not? If my mind will not be changing until next year, who knows? But yeah, thank you really much for staying with me and watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to enter to that giveaway. Also give it a thumbs up, and also please share with me what are your products that you want to have for this Christmas. What is your Christmas wish list? Okay, see you on my next video. Bye bye!